The Federal and Pedesta Hospital jointly present the Kanyakumari Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Rojavanam International School. Run for Health on Sunday, May 4. Entry is free and all are welcome.
We are at the Jawaharlal Nehru University where the student union elections are currently underway. Voting began at 9 a.m. and it will continue till 5:30 p.m. today. This is considered a left bastion. JNU is considered a left bastion, but this time around the situation is a little bit different because the two major left organizations on campus, the ISA, the All India Students Association, and the Students Federation of India, SFI, are contesting as opponents. They have allied with other parties, while the ISA is in alliance with another splinter left group called the DSF. SFI is fighting with BAPSA, an Ambedkarite organization, as well as the AISF and the PSA. This, people believe, could give the ABVP an advantage in the JNU-SU elections. So we spoke with all three stakeholders to see what they had to say about their chances of victory.
इस कैंपस में दोबारा 10 साल से जो भाजपा हार रही है, और मैं भाजपा बोलना चाहता हूँ, एबीवीपी नहीं, क्योंकि एबीवीपी की कोई ऑटोनॉमी नहीं है। एज ए स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वो भाजपा का फुट सोल्जर है इस कैंपस में, और 10 साल से जो इस कैंपस में भाजपा हार रही है, इस बार के चुनाव में आइसा डीएसएफ का यूनाइटेड लेफ्ट पैनल एबीवीपी को इस कैंपस में हराने के लिए जा रहा है। वो बापसा दो भागों में बढ़ चुका है और बाकी जो दो संगठन है उसका इस कैंपस में कोई पकड़ नहीं है, तो उसमें कोई अलायंस नहीं है, केवल वो एसएफआई अकेले बचा हुआ है। और इस कैंपस में हम फांसीवाद को हराने के लिए खड़े हैं, लेकिन आज कोई संगठन है जिसको फांसीवाद ही नहीं दिखता है, तो फांसीवाद को कैसे हरा सकता है?
So we have great chances because, as we have said before, time and again, the alliance that we are standing for, Left Ambedkarite United Panel, is an alliance of struggle, right? There has been a long struggle. If you look at SFI also, the SFI has come in hands with Ambedkarite forces in Pondicherry, Gujarat, and HCU, and in GNU campus also. All the movements have been fought together. Now, if we take the recent DOS movement, the students have sat together for opening of the Barak Hostel, for conduction of the elections, and also for the Proctor manual that came out, right? So, given the students' mandate, the demand on the campus that we need to lead a united struggle to defeat the major danger that we have, which is the BJP, RSS, ABVP admin nexus. So, given the students that we are talking to, the students who sat with us at DOS protest, of course, we are winning and will defeat ABVP together.
तो जहाँ तक बापसा की सपोर्ट की बात है, तो प्रियांशी आर्या जो कि एसी यूनिवर्सिटी की जनरल सेक्रेटरी भी हैं, आउटगोइंग जनरल सेक्रेटरी, और बापसा की प्रेसिडेंट हैं, गणेश करचे जो कि बापसा के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हैं, सी अर्जुन, ये सब लोग जो हैं ये ऑफिस बियरर में। बाकी मोर देन हाफ ऑफ सीसी जो है उसका सपोर्ट मेरे साथ है, उसका सपोर्ट इस अलायंस के साथ है जो लेफ्ट अम्बेडकराइट यूनिटी बनी है उसके साथ है, और मतलब जो जीबी सिंपैथाइजर्स जो हैं उनका सपोर्ट हमारे साथ है, क्योंकि हम लोग जो है पिछले 1.5 साल से उससे जो है लगातार इस कैंपस में हम लोग लगातार संघर्ष कर रहे हैं। जो लोग थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर आवाज़ उठा रहे हैं वो कभी भी उस तरीके से मतलब पिछले 3 साल से उतना एक्टिवली काम नहीं किए हैं। तो जो भी कनेक्शन जो है सिंपैथाइजर्स के साथ में, बापसा के सिंपैथाइजर्स के साथ में, वो हम लोगों का है और वो लोग हमको भरपूर सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, सब तक हम पहुँचे हैं। जय भीम, फुलजोड़ा सतरंगी सलाम।
हाँ, जैसा कि पहले हम लोग देखते थे किस तरह से लेफ्ट अलग अलग करके लड़ाई लड़ता है, लेकिन जब एपी पावरफुल इनको कैंपस में नजर आती दिखी तो ये लोग साथ मिलकर लड़ने लगे, लेकिन आपस में इस बार इनमें फूट पड़ी है और ये लोग अलग अलग लड़ रहे हैं। तो इस बार काफी पॉसिबिलिटी है एपी की जीतने की, खास करके जिससे हमारी प्रेसिडेंशियल कैंडिडेट है शिखा स्वराज, उनकी काफी चांसेस, क्योंकि उन्होंने पूरे साल काम किया यहाँ पे छात्रों को, और छात्राएं सब उनको जान रही। जैसे हमारे एमसीएम के मुद्दों को लेकर वो लड़ी है, हॉस्टल्स के मुद्दों को लेकर लड़ी है, बराक के मुद्दों को बराक हॉस्टल जो न्यू खुला है उसके मुद्दों को लेकर लड़ी है, और पर्सनल लेवल पे भी उन्होंने काफी काम किया है, खासकर गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में उन्होंने काम किया है।
While the student organizations all seem very confident about their chances of victory, the common students who have come to vote are a little bit more confused and concerned about what this split in the left panel means for the election results. So some of them have made their own assessment on, based on who they think is the stronger left force, and they are going to vote on the basis of that. But some others are choosing to vote based on their own issues in their center and schools.
This time I'm voting for a candidate who's actually standing for student issues. They've come up with a whole charter of demands, and I've always felt as if like campus politics have gotten a bit away from like student-centric issues to a lot of petty politics and focusing on organizational differences. So I'm hoping that this time around we elect a candidate who uses the JNUSU as a platform to actually build a strong united student movement and not actually to end up breaking it or build like dividing movements around same issues. I'm hoping to vote for candidates that actually can build that strong student movement. Even if they don't get into the JNUSU, I hope that in the upcoming year we're able to mobilize more students and actually fight for these issues.
So there are certain things like JNU election is not only about the campus, it's also about what's happening in the nation and the outer world. So that's what people expected here. So we are going to vote according to those persons who have stand for it. Like the parties we can see there is, binaries are there. Like the fascist party is on the other hand, always chanting for the state government and they are standing for the state government. So that's why people are always saying how it can be happen that if you will get elected, you can support those persons who are anti-state. Definitely AVP will have that advantage because see, people are asking if you are against the very idea of the fascists. On the first hand, you get divided. So that's why people are very bit confused. So let's see what will happen. Certainly, one cannot say because it totally depends on three things: how the campaign happened and what kind of candidature they have filed, and the third thing is very much significant. What are the immediate identities of the voters? Voters also think about the immediate identity of theirs and the candidates.
Counting for the JNUSU elections will begin tonight, but since the voting has been done on paper ballots, it will take some time to process the votes. Therefore, the results are expected on 28th of April, Monday. It remains to be seen whether the changed political dynamics on campus will have any bearing on the result.
The Federal and Pedesta Hospital jointly present the Kanyakumari Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Rojavanam International School. Run for Health on Sunday, May 4. Entry is free and all are welcome.